Yay!
Yay! Let's talk about batteries and the capacity of batteries. Let's suppose that we have a AA, kind of a typical AA battery. How they're usually rated is called capacity, and it's got a capacity of, I looked up a number of them and just sort of took an average. Like an alkaline AA battery might have a capacity of 2,000 milliamp hours, or 2 amp hours. In other words, they can give you a current of 2 amps for about an hour, and then they're out. They're out of something. Amp time. By the way, amp times hours. Let's see what is that a unit of? An amp is a coulomb per second, right? Charge per unit time. And if I multiply by a time, like hours, I just get back charge. So this is a unit. This is a unit of charge. So when they have batteries rated of milliampere hours or ampere hours, what that's really telling you is how much charge they store, right? How much charge in total they can pump out before they're dead. Okay, and the voltage of a AA battery is about 1.5 volts. It's supposed to be, anyway. So one thing we might want to know is how much charge. We can figure that out. So Q, the amount of charge stored, is just going to be current times the amount of time. So that's just going to be, let's see, this is 2 amps, right? So this is going to be 2 coulombs per second times, let's see, an hour has 3,600 seconds per hour. And this was times hours. So this is just going to give me charge, and it looks like that's 7,200 coulombs. Neat. So a AA battery will be able to deliver about, over its lifetime, will be able to deliver about 7,200 coulombs of charge to whatever device I want to attach it to. That's kind of neat. How much energy is in one of these batteries? That's really important. Probably more important because we think of energy more than charge. Like how long can you keep a light bulb lit with one of these things? Okay, well, it's 2 ampere hours. And something you need to know is that the power of a source is the current times the voltage. P is IV. Power is current times voltage. Okay, so 2 ampere hours times 1.5 volts. That's going to give me something related to the power, right? So that's going to give me ampere times volts is 3, power is in watts, right? So this is going to give me 3 watt hours for this battery. So this battery can deliver 3 watts for an hour. Okay, so if it delivers 3 watts for an hour, that's 3 joules per second times 3,600 seconds per hour. Oops. Times the hour that goes away that was already there. So what is that? That's 10,800 joules. That's pretty good, right? The battery technology is such that you can have something as small as a AA battery, and it can deliver 10,800 joules over its lifetime. That's kind of cool. All right, next.